What's up YouTube, Super Sun here. I'm going to show you guys how to get NLauncher Pro for free on your Android device. The first step is to go to this website. I'm going to have the link in the description for you guys so you don't have to go find it. And once you're on it, just scroll down and find these downloads. I'm going to click on the blue one, but if that doesn't work, just use the yellow. Don't press on the red, just press blue. And it'll bring you to this website. This website's pretty bad. It pops up a lot of ads and stuff, but just let it load all the way and then carefully tap in the middle of the download button. First time we got an
Congratulations.
ad. Second time, let's see if we can do it. There we go, we got it. So just once you finally get it, just press OK and it'll download. And once it's done downloading, you can just tap on it. If you don't get a notification download like this, you can go into your downloads here, or you can get the app Zarchiver and you can find your download in there. I'm just going to do it the hard way to show you guys. Zarchiver, just in case. Oh, also if you guys want to get Nova Launcher Prime for free, I just posted a video about that too, so you can go check that video out after this video if you're interested in that. But other than that, you can tap there, but I'm just going to do it back here. Just tap on it and press next and then install. And you already see there it has a little Pro symbol, so you know you're getting the NLauncher Pro. It's taking a while to install, but once it's done installing, you should be ready to go. Just open it up and then set it as your default. I'll show you guys how to do it. So now that it's done, just open it up, and it's giving us a little tutorial here. Just go to launcher settings first of all and set it as our default launcher right there. Let's press NLauncher and use as default tab. Like I said, I have a video on how to get Nova Launcher Prime for free also. So just set that as your default tab, and there you go, guys. You got the full version for free. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Stay tuned. Peace out.